Definitely feeling a little bit more like summery weather today with those temperatures in the mid to upper 70s in spots. Right now, very comfortable Saturday evening ahead. Take a peek as we look at just a little cloud cover over the skyline, but overall, pretty nice evening outside. We are looking at temperatures that are still in the 70s across much of the area. Right now, 72 degrees under mostly cloudy skies in Pittsburgh, looking at a light wind out of the east at 6 miles per hour. Look at the current conditions, still in the mid 70s in some spots, 74 in Newcastle. Butler Franklin, 70 degrees right now. Sunshine and clear skies, 72 in Indiana. Morgantown still at 73. Washington and Wheeling, a little more cloud cover and down to 70 degrees. You see that cloud cover kind of inching in from the southwest. We did have a couple of sprinkles try to move through earlier today south of I-70 with that disturbance, that area of low pressure just kind of riding along a frontal system that's stalled out along the Mason-Dixon line. And you can see some of the showers and storms down into eastern Kentucky, southeastern West Virginia, but they stayed well to our south. Also to our south, here it is, the first tropical depression of the Atlantic hurricane season. Even though hurricane season doesn't start officially until June 1st, that doesn't mean storms can't form. So why we're interested in this is it's off the east coast of Florida. And where will it go? It looks like right now it may head up just off of the Outer Banks, but if it hugs the coastline and stays a little more inland, that could give us some rain and some cloud cover the middle to end of this coming week. So we're kind of watching to see how it interacts with a system that's approaching us. So far, we're looking at temperatures that are pretty comfortable overnight, and we'll start to see a chance of showers early tomorrow morning. There's Futurecast at 6 a.m. So scattered showers in the morning, and then we'll look for the chance of just a scattered thunderstorm or two later tomorrow afternoon with the heating of the day. As we head toward Monday morning, still a chance that we'll see some scattered showers through the day. Temperatures again in the mid 70s, and behind that front we cool down a bit, and that means we're back to just slightly below normal temperatures by Tuesday afternoon. Look at that, only highs in the upper 50s, lower 60s. So forecast tonight, showers late, and we're talking more toward the wee hours of the morning. 57 your overnight low. Tomorrow, look for a few scattered showers or a scattered thunderstorm in the afternoon or evening. 77 your afternoon high. Our normal high this time of year is only 71. So two more really warm days. Monday we'll see a few scattered showers, 76. Then behind that front we get knocked back down to the lower to mid 60s. Look for a little bit of light rain in spots Tuesday. And then Wednesday, just a chance of a shower, 65. And then we're watching that tropical depression. Will it head inland? Will it head out? What will it do with the front that's approaching? Right now it looks like there's at least a chance of a shower Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, but we'll have to see what develops as we head toward next weekend. Right now it looks like, though, the temperatures will be nice in the lower to mid 70s. Paul?